Okay, so if you have just installed Linux and you are constantly facing a buzzing noise that's coming from your speaker, like when you leave your system idle, it starts to happen like a constant low frequency buzzing noise, and then I'll show you how to fix it. So first we need to open a terminal and run this command. You need to run this command. This, if it replies 1, means your sound card goes into power saving mode after some time. So when it goes to power saving mode, then the buzzing noise starts to come. So what we need to do, disable this power saving mode, because it's of no use in desktop, or even it does not save much power if it's happening in your laptop. In my case it's happening in my desktop, so there is no use of that because it's running on AC, so we don't need power save here. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna create a file that will prevent that from happening, like it will not let it go to power saving mode. So for that we need to copy this command. It will create a file in our etc modprobe.d folder. So we'll paste it using Ctrl Shift V, then we'll press enter. We'll put our password. Okay, so this is a text editor. We have opened a text editor. In text editor we will copy paste this command, so it will tell our sound card to not go to power saving mode, because here power saving mode is equal to 0, so it will prevent from it going to power saving mode. So we need to paste here using Ctrl Shift V. Then we'll to save we'll hit Ctrl plus O, then enter, then Ctrl X. Remember, Ctrl O, enter, then Ctrl X. Okay, so we are done here. The next time you will reboot, it's solved. That issue is gone. You can just reboot now.